Chris Mikowski for Emerging Civil War here at the West Coast Civil War Roundtable Conference, and I'm with Mike Movius, my friend from the Puget Sound Civil War Roundtable. You've come down from Washington here to Sacramento.
I have.
And Mike, you are the chief cook and bottle washer for the Civil War Roundtable Congress, which makes you a jack of all trades. You want to tell us a little bit about what the Congress is?
Well, the Congress, as you know, is really designed to help Civil War roundtables around the country to become sustainable. And so we put together a website with a number of resources on it. We hold annual events where we teach and learn what's effective for roundtables.
Now, there's been a lot of discussion lately in the business about whether roundtables are thriving or not as part of an overall interest in whether the Civil War is still something that matters to folks or not. What's your take on the temperature of the overall Civil War roundtable community?
Well, you know, there's a couple of ways to think about it. Number one is that we have several new roundtables coming on board, and we've been working with those organizers to help them understand what is in front of them and how to proceed. Then there are the roundtables that probably don't want to change, and some of them are going to be continuing on the path that they have been doing for a number of years, and may be successful. And then there are the others that, without change and a dwindling membership, they're liable to disappear in the next couple of years.
And it is a concern among a lot of roundtables. Like, what can we do to get more people? What can we do to kind of reinvigorate ourselves? And that's really been a driving mission for you, is to help those people answer those questions.
Yeah, exactly. And so, you know, we've been working with some of the most successful roundtables and organizers, and identifying a number of things. You know, it was interesting that as we go down this path with the Congress, that we're finding all sorts of different ideas that folks are having. I got an email just this last week from Dennis Coleman from the Sacramento Roundtable, and he suggests maybe we want to start up a sister roundtable program, where roundtables in one part of the country can become a sister with the other, and then exchange ideas and speakers and probably tours.
And that's one of the things that I think has been so cool about the Congress itself, is it's been a huge boon for networking and plugging people into each other so they can share ideas, share success stories, model successes for each other. And that I think is a real testament to your vision to help people connect that way.
Yeah, exactly. And so this Tuesday we're starting up what I'm terming Team CWRT, and that's going to be a forum for projects and for roundtables and their leaders to select projects to help improve their membership and their fundraising and all of that, and then to share that with others at our upcoming 2020 Congress in Philadelphia.
Now, you just started to nail down details on that, so looking at September, is that correct?
Yeah, we're looking at the middle of September, and actually I'm working with the Old Baldy Civil War Roundtable and some of the surrounding roundtables there to put this thing together.
Some great folks. So a chance to get together in person, connect and meet, but technology has really made that a whole lot easier too.
Oh, it sure has. And you know, we're doing teleconferencing meetings and workshops, and so it's really helped out a great deal.
Yeah. So now, if people want to follow along, the website again?
It's www.cwrtcongress.org.
So it's a chance for you and your organization to plug in. Not every success story works for everybody, but until you start looking at possibilities and start thinking outside the box, you're never really going to be able to start to do things differently.
That's right. Yeah. And you know, like they say, anytime that there's change in the air, there are pioneers, and then there are prison guards.
So here's a chance for you to be a pioneer. Mike Movies, thank you so much for taking some time to join us today.
Hey, thank you very much.